Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll then take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Summit Reserve in Silver Zenith. With high altitude package, traffic sign recognition, 21-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, only 5,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN package, second row heated seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7335.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.